So, in case you haven't heard, there's a couple things happening in the real estate market right now. Let's first talk about yesterday's mind-blowing verdict. Unfortunately, we, realtors, lost. The National Association of Realtors lost the class action lawsuit in Missouri for $1.8 billion. Holy moly. It makes little sense to me. And if you listen to the closing arguments, the defendants, the National Association of Realtors, actually said that, told the jury to use common sense. And unfortunately, to me, that's a little bit condescending. Either way, it's problematic. On top of that, other news, Follow Up Boss was just purchased by Zillow for $500 million. Now, what does all this mean? Well, I can tell you what my opinion is. My opinion is that there are going to be continued changes in our industry. Not only that, my opinion is that there are some